YK टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स कई बरसों से हज और उम्रा की खिदमत अंजाम देते आ रहे हैं। शहर हैदराबाद की आवाम के लिए YK टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स लेकर आए हैं 15 से 17 दिन तक का उम्रा प्लस होली लैंड पैकेज बिसाइड सफीना होटल, कोटला लीजा, हैदराबाद।
Today we have assembled in the Telangana High Court Advocates Association to condemn the brutal act unleashed against Amrut Rao and his wife in Jangam by the police of Jangam police station. The advocates have gone to the police station during their professional work. They were taken in, beaten brutally, which we are condemning. Entire fraternity of the state advocates have condemned this act. The government should immediately suspend the hearing officials, police officers, and put them under suspension. Register a crime in all offences, including SC/ST Act. And the investigation should be done by superior officers, not less than the rank of Superintendent of Police. We have also decided to represent to the Director General of Police for departmental inquiry against these hearing officials. This had become every day event that the police in one place or other making the advocates not to function freely. We condemn their attitude, act, and if such act is repeated, we'll go to any extent, we'll move all the bodies, courts, everywhere, and see that such acts should not be repeated at all. We passed a resolution, unanimous resolution, in the extraordinary general body meeting held on today at 1:45 p.m. It is resolved to demand the Director General of Police, Telangana State, to take stern action by suspending the police officials involved in the brutal act and advocates Sri Amrut Rao and his wife Kavita, members of Jangam Bar Association. It is further resolved to demand for departmental inquiry against the concerned police officials and also register FIR immediately in all offences, including SC/ST Act. We also request the state government to provide protection to Amrut Rao and his wife. They are under constant threat by the police to withdraw the FIR, the report submitted by them.
Recently, Siddipet lo kuda itla jarigi.
See, this is second attempt by the act by the police. Earlier they have done. We have taken to the representative of the government. They have registered. We have not known what happened to that report investigation. We demand the police. We demand the Director General of Police to involve personally and see that no act, no untoward act done against any advocate of the state.
YK टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स कई बरसों से हज और उम्रा की खिदमत अंजाम देते आ रहे हैं। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हज एंड उम्रा से मंजूर शुदा आईटा सर्टिफाइड एजेंट शहर हैदराबाद की आवाम के लिए YK टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स लेकर आए हैं 15 से 17 दिन तक का उम्रा प्लस होली लैंड पैकेज, जिसमें उम्रा के साथ आप जॉर्डन, फलस्तीन, इसराइल, इजिप्ट में अंबिया और सहाबा कराम के मज़ारों की ज़ियारत का शर्फ भी हासिल कर सकते हैं, जो आपकी रूह को ताजगी देगा और आपको अपनी ईमान की ताकत महसूस कराएगा। आज ही अपना सफर बुक करें YK टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स बिसाइड सफीना होटल, कोटला लीजा, हैदराबाद।